Today in this video, I'm going to tell you about some herbs that can help detox your kidneys. If my kidneys are healthy, it's my responsibility to keep them healthy because high blood pressure and diabetes are common in every other household. And if you're a patient of BP or diabetes, there's a higher chance your kidneys could be affected in the future. Therefore, it's very important to take care of your kidney health, and for that, we don't need to do much. There are kidney-supporting supplements available in every kitchen, but if we don't know how to use them, we start with the basics of how we can detox our kidneys, keep them healthy, and keep our whole body healthy. So first up is turmeric. Turmeric is a very versatile herb found in every kitchen. We use it for cooking vegetables, for flavoring dishes, for adding color, and even as an antiseptic if there's a wound. Basically, turmeric is considered a highly versatile herb. Now, turmeric not only stimulates your liver, but also stimulates your kidneys. We consume turmeric daily. When we need to detoxify our kidneys, we can take half a teaspoon of turmeric and dissolve it in a cup of water. This helps us not only with our kidneys, but also with keeping the entire body's organs healthy, because turmeric contains more antioxidants, which is why we use it like a multi-purpose remedy, whether it's for cancer, boosting your immunity, or even for a common cold, cough, or injury. Next is basil. Basil works similarly to turmeric. It's a very potent herb. If you have liver problems, you can use basil. If you have frequent colds, coughs, and low immunity, we use basil. If you have a cough, we make basil tea. Basically, basil is very versatile. The active substances inside basil not only stimulate kidney functioning, but also help detoxify the kidneys. If we wake up in the morning and put a basil leaf in our mouth and swallow a little, it helps our kidneys. Now let's move on to our third herb, which is coriander. We make coriander chutney. We use coriander seeds as spices, but if we look closely, coriander is very cooling. Due to its cooling nature, it increases urination. That is, the quantity of urine increases, so if a female drinks coriander water, what happens is that the tendency of urination from the kidney increases significantly. For this reason, coriander water is given in urinary infections to reduce the infection by increasing urination. However, we also use coriander for kidney detox because coriander contains a high amount of potassium. Whenever there is excess potassium in our body, our urination increases. Right now, coriander is good for detoxifying kidneys, but it is not given to kidney failure patients. Keep this in mind. If you want to take coriander for kidney detox, you can boil coriander seeds or make a paste of coriander leaves. The use of coriander should not be done in excess for males. Now let's move on to our next herb, which is galoy. Galoy is very beneficial for cancer because it is an immunity moderator, that is, it increases immunity. The use of galoy is also helpful for the kidneys because galoy prevents inflammation and swelling in the kidneys due to inflammation. It also strengthens the body's structures and cells. So not only do we use galoy to boost immunity, but we can also use galoy to keep the kidneys healthy. Because galoy also increases urination, if you take it in a good amount, you will see that your urination capacity increases. Therefore, galoy can also be used for kidney detoxification. Now let's move on to our next step, which is special for summers. This is when we use vetiver. Vetiver is used to flavor non-veg dishes because it has a unique aroma. It has a sweet, pleasant smell, and that's why it is used to cook non-veg dishes. It also increases urination in the body, so if we talk about all these herbs, they are found in our kitchen. We use all these spices in some form in our kitchen, and there's no harm in using them in our food. And with that, I'll end this video. For more authentic and reliable information related to health, please subscribe to our channel, Natural Health Cures. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you. Take care.